I'm an old designer, and I've decided that after 30 years, I'm bringing my designer toolbox out of storage, and we're going to repurpose it as an actual toolbox for my son. So let's retire what's inside. Goodbye, art gum. Goodbye, 30-year-old X-Acto knives. Goodbye, ink roller and ink and stamps. Goodbye, rapidograph pen. Goodbye, broken bone folder. Goodbye, pastels and linoleum blocks. And look at all these expensive Prismacolors that still work. Thank you, Designer Toolbox, for 30 years of service.